Hello again, welcome to Mr. Green's PE class, and today we're doing Ready, Yeti, Go on Sackboy's Adventures. As always, I want to try to do something here. I want to see if I can become the first PE teacher to hit 100,000 subscribers. So all you gotta do, costs nothing, you just go down and click the red button, if you have a profile, of course, or an account. So if you could do that, that'd be sweet. If not, all good. We're going to keep moving our feet. So here's what I need everyone to do. Move your feet in place, and then we'll copy what Sackboy does. Oh, well, never mind. We didn't have to bust that anyway. The rolling Yeti got it. All right. Keep moving, keep moving. We're going to roll. Now, he's rolling, so I guess we can just kind of spin in a circle. All right, there we go. Don't get dizzy. All right. Now, we don't want to run into the little Yetis because they hurt. So we want to avoid them, and we want to just keep moving, and we're going to make sure if a little enemy comes up to us, all we're going to do is just punch it. Alright, so we're going to wait. Okay, we'll take the extra golden bells. Those little eggs spin around, and on the front it shows you what you're going to get. Okay, we're in the ball. Let's just roll like this. How about we just do this? Because I don't know how to roll around in the ball. Alright. Or at least roll around on the ground. So we're just rolling our arms. So we gotta be careful. Roll slow right here. So we're rolling slowly. We don't want to fall off. Awesome. Alright. I'm gonna roll fast again. Get rid of the enemies. And collect as many bubbles as possible. Alright, let's get out of there. And we're going to spin around. And we're going to balance one leg. Nice. We got our Imagine Sphere. Okay. Keep on moving. Imagine being Sackboy and being able to roll consistently like that. That'd be pretty sweet. Don't think I could do that. Okay. Now we got to be careful here. There's going to be these giant rolling Yetis, and we don't want to get crushed by them. Alright. Get out of here. Silly enemy. Uh-oh. It's the Ram, my arch nemesis. We got to go and pay him a visit. Oh, oh. He got smooshed. Good job. Good thing we didn't go over there. Alright, balance time. Jump. Ooh, more balance. Yeah. Woo! Put your hands up. Keep your feet up. Still balancing? Alright. Good deal. Getting all these bubbles. Try to get the high score so we get more stuff at the end. Nice. Time to spin around again. Woo! Hey, secret area. Always love these. Okay, cool. So, okay, we gotta chuck these into his mouth. And whoa, I just got 8. Glad he doesn't like Sackboy. Alright, here we go. More red hot chili peppers. Also a band for my older peeps out there. Throw them in. There we go. I think we did it. Whoa! So, I like spicy food. But if spicy food did that, I would not be eating it. Alright. Keep on moving. Let's get him out of here before he hits us. Alright. Remember, rolling Yetis, dangerous. Oh, okay, well, I guess we'll try to grab these bonus bubbles. Although I don't think we're going to get it in time. We tried. Alright, good deal. Get rid of these balloons. There's this. Okay, that works. So let's try to run quickly. We don't want to get hit by the Yeti. Okay. We want the prize bubble. Awesome. So Because the prize bubbles give us emotes, and they give us outfits, and all that other fun jazz. Get rid of that balloon. Okay, I didn't know if that was something or not. Alright, balance. Watch out for the Yetis. Balance. Excellent. Woo, okay. Keep moving. Now, I see a little secret there. The Yetis keep moving, so let's go check out what that could be. Oh, spin around. Good deal. Okay. Watch out for the traffic of Yetis. Awesome. Magisphere. Okay. We only need one more. And we'll have all the Magispheres for this level. Alright, time to roll it. So we're going to roll fast. Getting those arms moving. Get a little workout. Okay, I guess we can't run those over. Good thing is, we can't get hurt. As long as we stay in this little snow globe. I like snow globes, they're really cool. If you like a snow globe, you should say, I like snow globes, in the comment section below. Alright, I figure we get rid of all these guys, and then we'll finish out whatever this is. Okay, cool. The Yetis took care of them. I can't get rid of them. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, these little guys. Boom, boom. Keep moving those arms. You might be getting a little tired. If you are, go slower. Oh, there we go. Alright, inside. Let's do it again and make sure we got the stuff on the other side. Spin around. And we gotta go back up top. Good job. Alright. Okay. Whoa. That's an abominable snowman. We need to run. Let's go. Run fast. Oh, watch out for the enemies. I don't think we need to mess with them. Oh, watch out. Climb. Jump. 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 Run for your life, Sackboy. Oh, there's got to be a secret right there. Uh-oh. Oh, run faster. He's right on our heels. This is going to be close. Oh, no. Get out of our way, little Yetis. Or whatever you are. Whew. Oh, we can slow it down now. He fell. Good job, guys. Now let's go pick up whatever that is. Excellent job. Well, I thank you guys for watching the video. Let's see what we got. I'm sure it's a bunch of golden bells. Probably more golden bells. And then hopefully an outfit piece. Yeah, we got the Yeti body. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Keep moving, stay hydrated, all that fun stuff. See you next time.